Hello everyone, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we'll talk about lists in Python programming language. Python knows a number of compound data types used to group together other values. The most versatile is the list, which can be written as a list of comma separated values or items between square brackets. Lists might contain items of different types, but usually the items all have the same type, like list of numbers, list of strings, and so on. Here we created a simple list of numbers called squares, and it has 5 items. The first item 1 has index 0. The second item 4 has index 1, and so on. And after we created this list directly, we wrote its name squares and pressed the enter button, and we got it inside the shell here. We got this list called squares with 5 items or 5 numbers from 1 to 25 inside its square brackets, like strings, data type, and all other built-in sequence types. Lists can be indexed and sliced. As we see here, the first element of this list has index 0, and we got it, which is number 1. Then the last element, if you want to count from the right side, is 25, and it has an index -1. And also, if you want to print the items from this list that follows the element that has index -3, for example, you'll find that you get the items 9, 16, and 25, the last 3 items from this list.